Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me coming Q2 of the weekly contest 368. Minimum sum of mountain triplets 2. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. So this one is a harder version of Q1 where n can be 10 to the 5th. The first thing that, there are a couple of moving parts, but it's really not that bad. I said the guy who took 3 minutes anyway. But for me, I've been kind of struggling with these kind of implementations lately with off by one, and I'll go over why. So basically the core part about figuring out this problem is that given a j, I think we kind of talked about this a couple of contests ago. Given a triplet and you're trying to do this in say linear or n log n time, well, you can either do what you could really only do three things, right? You can iterate on I, you could iterate on j, or you could iterate on k, right? And there may be possibly certain ways to do it, but to be frank, you just go for the three cases and just think of it a little bit, and then you're like, okay, well, how do I do it for I? I have to find a j and then find a k that is smaller. If I do it for k, I have to find a j that is larger and then an I that is smaller than j, right? Or num sub j. And then for j is easy if you kind of just, you're like, okay, for num sub j, you just need the smallest number from the left and the smallest number from the right. Or in theory, just two small numbers, but to minimize it, it's a very easy, greedy intuition, which is to minimize the min for left and minimize the min for right, and that's all you need to do. So from then, I did a prefix min thing, so that for every index, you get the min of to the left of that number, and that's pretty much it. I used it to get the prefix min and then the suffix min, and then I brute forced or for each one. This is num sub I, this is num sub k, and then we max it. And yeah, if it's not possible, return -1. I took a little. I actually knew this one pretty much immediately, and you could watch me solve it. During the contest, I did spend a little bit of time testing because I just wasn't very confident about it. Because I've been getting wrong answers from off by one. So in this particular one, even though I took 3 minutes, probably could have been faster. The 3 minutes is still faster than if I got a wrong answer and ate 5 minutes, right? So do it as you will. But yeah. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and yeah, you can watch me solve it live in the contest now. Right? That's why I got a little bit confused. Okay, fine. Okay, so now minimum sum. So now we want to minimum the left and minimum the right. This is the same problem, I assume. So okay. I took too long on that one though. It's a little bit because I just misreading is hard. But now minimum not the index, so that's should be pretty okay. And then now what am I doing? And now, yeah. So then now, so num sub I, right? Let's just start with 1 and n minus 1. So this is technically j for the one in the middle. Let's keep it consistent. Best is equal to infinity. So then now we're looking for I. I is going to be in the prefix. So prefix sub j is the other numbers that are smaller than j. So this is 10, and num sub j is greater than suffix sub j plus 1, I think. will see if this is right. I mean, I'm going to test it because I'm treating it like a real contest and not getting a wrong answer. I feel like this is very easy for me to get a wrong answer. So yeah, let's see. Nums of j, prefix of j. I mean, I think I feel like I've gotten the wrong answer on a lot of these, just like on the off by 1 indexes. So 8 is 4 and 2, okay. 7 is 4 and 2, 10 is 4 and 2, okay. So I think that's okay because it doesn't include itself. This is and then 5. Let me do some. What would I want to write? I want to write more than this. Okay, I think that should be good. If I get 6 is. Oh wait. 5 is 6 and 3. That's right. 4. Okay, I mean, I'm a little bit slow on this one just because I feel like I made a lot of mistakes on similar problems lately. May still make mistakes, so let's give it a submit and see. Okay, a little bit cautious, but fine. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem and this explanation, all this stuff. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.